Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today we have some Sepox Padlocks. I forgot the word for padlocks there.
That
We
was
have
clever.
Sepox Padlocks. They come in a pack of 3 or 5 on Amazon.
Which you may as well not have bought 3 or 5 because 1, 2,
Doesn't work.
nope. And when Amazon try to give you a refund, they don't give you a third of the price back, which is very disappointing.
Yes, they would only give me 25% back.
Which I was disappointed about, and I am making a complaint. Haven't really, but
Well, realistically, the core still works, so it's that I can still pick it, so it doesn't matter. They're all keyed alike, and the bitting's not too bad. And
They're
actually,
okay to like, are they?
yes, they are keyed alike.
Well, that's just boring.
I'm kind of curious as to whether they're all keyed alike, as in like they're all keyed alike, or if it's each pack's keyed alike. But I don't have multiples, so I don't really know.
And I'm not buying any more.
But I know I found out that these were a thing because Charles Rich got a pack of them. So
Did all of his work.
all of his work, yeah.
Favoritism.
I might have just been unlucky with mine. I don't know, but that's actually quite worth it because I can still pick the black one.
Can you?
Yeah, you
Can't pick it open though.
the core works just the same. Like you can't turn it until all the pins are set, so it's still pickable. It kind of makes a difference as well because like these have quite heavy springs in them, which makes them tricky to pick. This one's actually easier to pick because it's a dead core. So I'm going to pick the easy one today.
That's just pure laziness.
Yep, that's what it is.
Lucky you admit to it.
To be fair, the easier one still ain't all that easy. They're actually surprisingly difficult to pick.
Oh.
Like for the price, I'm quite surprised at how tricky they are. I don't actually know what kind of pins are in here or anything, because you can dismantle them and take the core out, but you can't gut the core. It's a sealed unit. There's that picked open already.
Oh, nice and quick. So if they're sealed, could you not just break that one even more and do open it?
I would have to break the whole thing. I'd rather have something to pick. I am tempted to take one of these ones that works, take the core out, pull the core to bits to see what's in it, and I have a Yale kick core that should fit quite nicely into here. There's some quite mean bitting on it, and so I might take one to bits, have a look, see what's in it, get back to you, and put the Yale core in one of them.
Why'd you have to get back to me? I'm already here.
Because shut up. Getting back to everyone else. Well, yeah, that cost me £20.
And 74 pence. Don't forget the 74 pence. I broke it.
And although one of them doesn't work,
I fixed it.
they are quite an entertaining pick. You finished now?
Yeah. Oh, you want it back so you can... I lost it.
Well, line them up. Make them look nice.
See,
Yeah.
maybe I shouldn't have picked the one with the black and got the one with the green. I picked the one with the black. Maybe this is my fault.
If you got the other colour, it probably would have been fine.
It's all my fault. Always my fault. Anyway.
Yeah, questionable quality, fun to pick. That's all from us.
See you next time.
Not this again.
Okay, I won't do it.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.